stunned me. He's still shooting at me. Extra ammunition. Come on. You kill him? Or did you fucking...
No, he disappeared.
Enemy soldier incoming.
Another one. Broke him. Top. TV. There's armor on me, by the way.
Enemy soldier incoming.
Is he still on top?
I haven't seen him jump yet, so probably yeah. Dead. Another one right here.
Marked a target.
I broke him. On me. 2. You hit the other guy?
Got him?
Alright, cool.
Yep.
LOL. Shit, I'm about to hit Troy Bomb too.
I killed a bunch of kids.
Yeah, that's not like